What sounds of the horse? Hello. Wow, lots of animals. And what is that next the horse? What is that? What is that?
Whoa.
Huh? Horse. Where are you gonna put the horse? It's a nice barn. What is that? What is that in your hands? Hi, Joshua. Do you have fun playing with this? What is this?
Cow.
What is that?
Cow.
Cow. And what is that?
No.
What is this?
Mouse.
What is that?
No. Deer.
Uh-huh.
Deer.
Okay. What is this?
Bears.
Bears. And what is this? Oh my goodness, what's that? Uh-oh! Oh, pick it up. What is that?
Bears.
Bears? Boy.
Deer.
Well, it's time for line up the animals. That's how Joshua is. You like the elephant, huh? Elephant. Who are your shoes? Hi, Joshua. I love you, baby. Baby, love mommy. Hey. A horse. Elephant. 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 Yes. Elephant. Sige, bye.
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 Ma.
Thank you. I love you. Oh, I love you, Joshua. I love you, Joshua. Our 2 years old Prince Pudding. Goodbye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
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 Aw. Bye.